Dear veterinarian, welcome to Dr. Vet channel. I'm Dr. P.R. Patel. Today we will see question bank number 8 in the subject of veterinary gynecology. There are 25 small questions. Question 1. Important parameters for selection of cow for embryo transfer. For selection of a cow for the embryo transfer, there must be good characters in the cow so that progeny will be good. The answer is the age of cow should be between 3 to 10 years. Cow must be healthy with good body conformation and stress cycle should be normal to get the good results. Question 2. Drug used for the letdown of milk. Important question. Even farmer also know this drug. The answer is oxytocin injection is given to let down the milk in buffaloes and cows. Question 3. What is cryptorchidism? Answer. One or both the testes fail to descend from abdomen into the scrotum. Initially, when there is fetus, the testis will be in the abdomen, but slowly, as the age of the fetus advances, it descends down into the scrotum. But when it fails to descend, that type of calf is called as cryptorchidism. Question 4. Method for confirmatory diagnosis of pregnancy in which? Important question from clinical point of view also. Ultrasonography method is the confirmatory and sure method for the pregnancy diagnosis in which. Now most of the practitioners, private practitioners in the cities are keeping this ultrasonography machine where they can see the fetus and fetal bones. Question 5. What is tunica vaginalis? Answer is the pouch of serous membrane that covers the testis is tunica vaginalis. Question 6. Phase during which uterus is more prone to infection. There are various phases, various under the influence of the hormone and various parts of the estrous cycle also. But luteal phase is such a phase that during that period or during that phase, the uterus is more prone for infection and may result into endometritis. Question 7. What is induced ovulation? Answer. Female animal ovulates by external stimulus during mating. Not only mating, but stimulus may include the physical act of coitus means mating or any other mechanical stimulus for induction of the ovulation in the animal. Question 8. Duration of second stage of labor during parturition in mare is how much period? Answer. It is very quick, 30 minutes. Question 9. Place of fertilization in domestic animal. Where the fertilization occurs in domestic animal? Meeting of sperm and ovum. Answer is the fertilization occur in proximal part of oviduct or fallopian tube. Question 10. What is transvaginal oocyst retrieval? In short, it is called as TVOR, or other name is oocyst retrieval, OCR. It is nowadays very much used in human being. Is a technique used in vitro fertilization, popularly known as IVF, in vitro fertilization, in order to remove oocyst from the ovary of a woman, enabling the fertilization. Question 11. What is the freezing temperature of liquid nitrogen? Answer is minus 212 degrees centigrade. Important question. Question 12. Full form of MOET. Answer is multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. Question 13. Naban-Can sit. What is Naban-Can sit? Answer is the middle portion of the sperm is completely filled with the mitochondria. You know the function of mitochondria to give the energy for motility. The cytoplasmic form a spiral sheath-like structure around the mitochondria, and this spiral sheath-like structure is called as Naban-Can sheath. Question 14. Duration of copulation in swine. Answer is 3 to 8 minutes. The swine produce large quantity of the semen, but the copulation lasts for 3 to 8 minutes only. Question 15. What is gametogenesis? The word itself, gamete genesis, genesis of the gamete. Answer, gamete formation process in which the haploid cell, that is N, is formed from a diploid cell 2N through meiosis and self-differentiation. This is the technical answer of gametogenesis. Question 16. Term used for decreased semen volume. Answer is hypospermia. Hypo means less, spermia means sperm, less semen. Question 17. What is sodomy? SODOMY. What is sodomy? Answer is anal or oral copulation with a member of same sex, male to male or female to female, or opposite sex, male to female and female to male, like that, or from animal man, like that. That is sort of. But animal to man and man to animal is called as bestiality. Question 18. What is sexual gratification? Answer is a behavior or act to stimulate the sexual interest or desire to the partner or to the other. Question 19. What is the color of discharge at parturition in which? Important question. The color of discharge during parturition or at parturition is greenish in color. Question 20. What is Durin? It's important. Important from act point of view. Durin act is there. Answer is, it is a serious protozoal infection Disease is chronic in nature. It is a venereal disease of horses and other equids. Question 21. Time of ovulation after coitus in cat. Answer: approximately 27 hours after coitus. Question 22. Mixing cold diluent with the semen results into what is the effect? Answer is: the sperm suffer from shock. The sperm get the cold shock. Question 23. Test conducted for patency of fallopian tube in cattle. This test is performed to check whether the fallopian tube or oviduct is patent or not. The name of the test is PSP test. The full form is phenol sulfonyl naphthalene dye test, PSP test. Important question. Question 24. Term used for aplasia of one horn of the uterus. When one horn is aplastic, what is the name of that uterus? The term is answer uterine unicornis. Last question, question 25. Sadism. What is sadism? Answer is the tendency to derive a pleasure, especially sexual gratification, from inflicting pain, suffering, or humiliation to the others. This is also a important question. With this, we are ending the 25 questions of question bank 8. Dear friend, with this I have narrated 20 short questions, very important questions, selected questions in the subject of gynecology. Please share this video to veterinarians and veterinary students, those who need it, and to support the channel, requested to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video. Thanks.